Hello students, till now we have completed our chapter 1, whole numbers and natural numbers. Now today we begin our next chapter, factors and multiples. So today I'll explain you what are factors and what are multiples. So let's proceed. Can you tell me what are factors? First question arises when we start this chapter is what are factors? So here now I tell you what are factors. The factors of any number are the numbers that divide into it exactly, including 1 and the number itself. Whatever the number may be, the number which divides that number exactly are its factors. For here, let's take an example. The factors of 6 are 2 and 3. When we divide 6 by 2, we get 3, and when we divide 6 by 3, we get 2. So 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. So 2 and 3 both are the factors of 6. Let's take few examples more. Here we have to find the factors of 12. So first we will look here by which table we should multiply so that the answer will be 12. So first is 1 multiplied by 12 is 12. Then 2 multiplied by 6 is 12. After 2 we will count the table of 3. 3 4 times is 12. 3 4s are 12. Now next we move to the table of 4. But 4 is already written here. So we will stop. जब तक टेबल रिपीट होना स्टार्ट होगा तब हम स्टॉप करेंगे. वेन एवर एनी टेबल रिपीटेड वी हैव टू स्टॉप देयर ओनली. एंड ऑल द नंबर्स रिटन ऑन द लेफ्ट साइड ऑफ इज इक्वल्स टू आर द फैक्टर्स. इज इक्वल्स टू के लेफ्ट साइड जितने भी नंबर्स होते हैं वो फैक्टर्स होते हैं, बट उनको आप इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर में लिखें. तो 1 2 3 4 6 12 here are the factors of 12. Let's take one more example here, the factors of 30. अब suppose अगर हमें 30 के factors देने हैं तो first of all we will multiply it by 1. So 1 multiplied by 30 is 30. 1 के बाद अब आप second 2 के टेबल पे ही जाएंगे तो 2 को हम कितने टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई करें कि 30 आए? 15 टाइम्स. So 2 multiplied by 15. Now after 2 is 3. 3 tens are 30. 4. Now 4 के टेबल में 30 doesn't comes. 30 is not divisible by 4 completely. So 4 is not the factor. इसलिए 4 30 का factor नहीं होगा. Skip this 4. Then we get 5. 5 how many times is 30? 6. After 5 the table of 6 comes. But 6 is already written over here. So we will stop. जब वो टेबल रिपीट होगा तो we will stop. So all the factors are on the इज इक्वल्स टू के दूसरी साइड जो देखेंगे सारे फैक्टर्स हमारे पास आ गए हैं. 1 2 3 5 एंड फ्रॉम डाउन टू अप 6 10 15 30. सो हेयर आर द ऑल फैक्टर्स ऑफ 30. नाउ नेक्स्ट व्हाट आर मल्टीपल्स. आफ्टर फैक्टर्स वी हैव टू स्टार्ट मल्टीपल्स. मल्टीपल्स क्या होते हैं? लेट्स स्टडी. After multiplying the number by an integer, we can get multiples. Means tables. You can get tables जब हम लिखेंगे. Suppose 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6. जब हम किसी भी नंबर को 1 2 3 4 5 6 further multiply करते जाते हैं, we get the multiples. So you can say the answer of the tables that we get. These are the multiples only. Suppose 5 के multiples होंगे तो 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20. So 5, 10, 15, 20 and so on are the multiples of 5. Here you can see 3. The table of 3 is written over here. So the table of 3 is the answer what we get is the multiple. So 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15 and so on. These are the multiples. Multiples को हम प्रोडक्ट्स भी कह सकते हैं. हम किसी भी नंबर को जब 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करें, देन 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करें, 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करें, 4 से एंड सो ऑन, वी स्टार्ट गेटिंग द मल्टीपल्स. Now next, one more example you can look here of multiples, where here we have taken the multiples of 5. 5 1 times is 5, 5 2 times is 10, 5 3 times is 15, 5 4 times is 20, 5 5 times is 25. So here 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 are the multiples of 5. Thank you.